Welcome back to Budget Fix Garage. Today we're going to be working on my wife's 2010 Infiniti QX56. It's got a little over 200,000 miles on it. She was getting in it the other day and went to shut the door, and I guess she'd been eating her Wheaties because the door handle broke off, which from what I've understood is a common thing on some of these Infinitis, because you can take the door handle pull part out separately, but they do not sell it separately. I went to my local body shop and asked them, and like, no. And so I was like, well, how much is a new door panel? Oh, a little over $1,000. No, I'll tie a rope to this daggum thing and she can pull it with that before I pay $1,000 for a door panel. So I tried searching some junkyards. Every junkyard I found, the same exact part was broken. So here at Budget Fix Garage, we're gonna do a little budget engineering. Let's see what we can make happen. Here's the door handle right here. That part right there just came out. It's only held together with a little, you can see right there, a little bitty piece of plastic, which is crap. So we're gonna make it industrial redneck strength. Stay tuned. Just in case you didn't know, you can pretty much take any Nissan, Infiniti, and most Toyotas apart with a 10mm. That's pretty much all the cars are made out of. So first of all, we've got to pop this little thing out right there, and then there's another one right there. If you ain't got a screwdriver, trust your pocket knife works. And we start taking these little bolts out. And then you pop the door panel loose, the little push ends. If you can get your fingers up on it. If you can't, go back to the trusty pocket knife. As you can tell, I use my pocket knife a lot. I'm wondering if there's another one behind there. It is. Look over there. Little sneaky people. Couldn't put both of them right behind the same little thing. No, that'd be too easy. Alright. Now, look up there. It comes off just pretty. Still got a few wires to unplug. Take the door latch off, or whatever it's called. that come unplugged. Now we got this little light right here. And I can't see. I'll just stand up there for a minute. Trusty pocket knife. Alright, now I don't know how good this is going to show up, but this handle goes right in here. There's a screw right there and a screw right there that went to these little plastic things. So I got to do some taking apart, and we'll get it all put back together and fixed up. Alright, if you take those screws right through there out, you will be able to take this part of the armrest off that piece mounts into. So I unscrewed that, and I took and made me a little piece of flat steel and drilled holes to hold the door handle back on. As you can see, it'll just like that, and then it'll be able to go back into the same screw holes that it was in, and we'll have a pull handle. So let me put the camera back over here and we'll get her going. Like I said, I made just a piece of flat steel, ground it down a little, put some screw holes in it, and now we are going to figure out what I did. And we're going to put these little screws right back in this hole. Alright. Now, all we got to do is turn this around. Slide that in there. Lift that up. Push it over a little bit. Lean it over, make sure screw holes are right. Throw some screws in this little jewel, and we should be ready to rock and roll. Probably some of you are going, well, Greg, you've got a cordless drill right there, why ain't you using it? Well, a bit ain't long enough. I gotta do these two by hand. I could go in there and get an extension, but I'm too lazy to walk. Got a little carried away with that one. Damn bit keeps coming out too. That's aggravating this fire. Alright. So let's raise this back up. Oh, I'll put this little push pin back thing in there. Let's see what we got. Is it beautiful? No. But will it work? Yeah. Probably pick the car up with it. No. Like I said, I'm not spending $1,000 on another door panel, and for that to probably break again. So, let's put her back on the car. Alright, let's get this door panel on. Can't see the hole. Where'd you go? There we go. These wires come back up through here. There. Find that little wire for the light. There. Back into place. Figure out what to do with this little light. I should clean it out, but I'm not. There. Got a dog chewing on the stick in the background. That goes there. There. For some reason that goes there. Sometimes you want to go up to some of the engineers that design this stuff and just pretty much say, what the heck were you thinking, dude? Alright. Let's see if I can give you a better angle here. Door handle back on. It's dirty. Like I said before, is it pretty? No. Will it do? Yes. It's what you do when you're on a budget. You fix stuff the way you can. Now, if this passes the wife's approval, I'll be good. If it doesn't, let's face it, I'll probably go and buy another $1,000 door panel. Let's hope not, though. So, got it fixed. Everything looks good. Alright, me and Tank done wrapped up another project for today. Let's go back and take another look at it. Come on, Tank. Well, if you want up there, go. Thinks he's got to go everywhere I do. Alright. Another look at the door pull. Like I said, not pretty, but functional. Probably last as long as the car does. If I was to go get another $1,000 door panel, it'd probably break within a few months. So, thank y'all for watching. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Watch my other videos. Got a lot more coming. Got a couple cars gonna flip. So, y'all stay tuned. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.